Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to manually add games to NVIDIA GeForce Experience. We start by opening the GeForce Experience application. Next, click on the Settings icon. After that, click on the Games and Apps category. Inside here, we are going to click on Scan Now so that an analysis of compatible applications and games that can be added is carried out. At the bottom, we can configure the route where we want the search to be done in a personalized way if we want to add a specific game or application. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.